A lot of times when you make a big purchase through Lego's website or a Lego store, you get a free gift with purchase. And those are always nice. And that's what this next one is, but it's still a set on its own. Lego Creator Set 40518 High Speed Train. It's another small build, less than 300 pieces, but still, I hope you enjoy it as always. Here we go. Alright, we got our finished high-speed train right here. Pretty basic set, nothing too crazy going on here. The two segments do come apart. One thing I do find very interesting though, you can see the numbers 1 and 2 over on the respective carts. Well, the set actually comes with stickers 3 and 4, and you can buy a second set, put the 3 and 4 on the other one, and you can actually connect 4 rails instead of 2. So that's the one interesting thing about this, but yeah, let's kind of give one more look. You know, all angles, and that is our high-speed train. So there we go. Thanks for watching.